Welcome to Feast Finder. Today, we are not exploring food, but rather a different kind of feast. A feast of nature, ice, and mystery. We are traveling to the very edge of our planet, to the frozen land of Antarctica and the surrounding Antarctic Ocean. At the southernmost tip of Earth lies Antarctica, a continent of extremes. It is the fifth largest continent, larger than Europe and almost twice the size of Australia. Unlike any other continent, it is not covered with forests, deserts, or cities. Instead, it is almost entirely blanketed by a gigantic sheet of ice. In fact, 98% of Antarctica is covered with ice, and this ice is, on average, 2 kilometers thick. Hidden within it is about 70% of all the fresh water on our planet. If this ice were to melt completely, global sea levels could rise by nearly 60 meters, flooding countless coastal cities around the world. The climate of Antarctica is unlike anywhere else. It is the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth. Here, the lowest temperature ever recorded was an astonishing -89 degrees Celsius at Vostok Station. During winter, the sun never rises for months, leaving the land in complete darkness. In summer, the opposite happens. The sun never sets, but still the air remains freezing cold. Blizzards sweep across the icy plains with hurricane-force winds, sculpting the landscape into surreal shapes. Yet, despite these extreme conditions, life manages to thrive. On the edges of the continent, where the ice meets the ocean, an incredible variety of wildlife can be found. Penguins march across the snow, with the emperor penguin standing tall as the largest of them all. Seals lie lazily on floating icebergs, while mighty whales swim through the icy waters, feasting on tiny but abundant creatures called krill. Above, seabirds like albatross glide gracefully across the endless ocean skies. This delicate ecosystem proves that even in the harshest corners of the world, life finds a way. Humans, however, do not live here permanently, but every year hundreds of scientists arrive to study this frozen world. Over 30 countries maintain research stations across Antarctica, where scientists endure the harsh climate to unlock secrets about our planet. They study the thick ice sheets to learn about Earth's ancient climate, observe unique microorganisms that survive in extreme cold, and closely monitor the effects of global warming. Antarctica is like a natural laboratory, a window into the past and a warning for the future. This powerful current is the strongest on Earth, carrying more water than any other current and helping to regulate our planet's climate. Surrounding this land is the mighty Antarctic Ocean, also known as the Southern Ocean. It was officially named the world's fifth ocean in the year 2000. This ocean completely encircles Antarctica, and its most remarkable feature is the Antarctic Circumpolar Current. The Southern Ocean is rich with marine life. At the heart of its ecosystem is the krill, tiny shrimp-like creatures that form the base of the entire food chain, from fish and birds to seals and giant whales. Almost every animal in these waters depends on krill for survival. Without krill, the Antarctic ecosystem would collapse. Antarctica and its surrounding ocean play a vital role in Earth's climate balance. The ice sheets reflect sunlight, keeping the planet cool. But as global warming increases, these ice sheets are melting faster. If they continue to melt, sea levels could rise dramatically, threatening millions of people living in coastal areas. This is why Antarctica is not only a frozen desert, but also a guardian of our planet's future. At Feast Finder, we usually explore the diverse flavors of the world, but today we have witnessed a different kind of feast, the feast of nature's power, beauty, and fragility. Antarctica and the Antarctic Ocean remain Earth's most pristine yet most vulnerable regions. Protecting them is not just about saving ice and wildlife, it is about protecting our own future. Thank you for watching this journey with Feast Finder. If you enjoyed exploring the mysteries of Antarctica, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Feast Finder for more fascinating discoveries around the world.